Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you the 3 journals that I'll be using this year. I know it's already the middle of the year, but I've been wanting to get these notebooks in like forever. And now that I finally got it, I wanted to share it with you guys. First on my list is the one that all of you already knows about, is my digital bullet journal. What I'm using is an iPad Pro that retails to about 70,000, but just a disclaimer, this is not me bragging. You can basically search the price for an iPad. I just wanted to make it easy for you just in case you wanted to purchase one. This is a 12-inch iPad with 500 gigabytes, and the app I'm using is the GoodNotes 5 app, which you can purchase in the Apple Store, which retails to 200 pesos or above if you already purchased the GoodNotes 4 app before. Basically, I use this digital journal to help me remember or look back to memories quicker. I find it very excessive before to have a notebook because I'm the type of person who wants to have a creative journal. So I would tend to use a lot of pens and craft materials, which in the long run is not very convenient for me because my bag gets to be heavy with all the pens and craft materials that I bring. But then again, having an iPad with me all the time is not very convenient as well, since it's an eyesore for snatchers. So now, I don't always bring it with me, but it's still my go-to journal for every day. This is where I track and write down what happened for the day. I get to be as creative as I can, and I still not waste a bunch of papers and buy too much art materials. But I'm not hating on notebooks. Obviously, I still use them. To be honest, I still love collecting notebooks, but more so for future use. And people tend to make notebooks with very pretty designs, so who can really resist? With that said, next on my list is my customized notebook from Notability, which retails to about 300 to 400 pesos. It's more so depends on what cover or paper size you'll be purchasing. Mine is an A5 size notebook. At first I wanted it to be a refill for the other notebook that I'll be showing in a while, but it was too small, so I'll make use of it for other purposes. It's a simple notebook with an embossed quote that says metanoia, which is a Greek word that means the journey of changing one's mind, heart, self, or way of life. This notebook is specifically for my drawings, an idea where I got from Jan Plans Things on Instagram, where I'll be linking her account down below. She creates these wonderful drawings that I always feel inspired to make one as well. This journal is not specifically for this year only. I use it most of the time at home, where all my craft materials can be found. I'll be posting a draw with me very soon, so stay tuned for that. And last is my Victoria journals, where I got at national bookstores for not more than 600 pesos. I chose the pink cover, but they also sell it with other colors of black and gray. It has a notebook insert with annual monthly plan, monthly spreads, and notes pages. And the convenient thing about it is that it's not a dated journal, so I can reuse the remaining pages up till next year. It doesn't really bother me sharing the same notebook with the next year. This will be the journal that I will be having with me every day and the one where I'll be writing my daily notes. But of course, since I want my journals to be as creative as I can, I would still be decorating it, but it would be too hard for me to explain it, so just stay tuned for a journal with me very soon. But as an idea, my inspiration for this journal is Celine Writes and Abbey Sy from Instagram. I'll be linking their Instagram below, so go check them out as well. So that's it for my 2019 journals. Here I have are my drawing journal, daily journal, and my digital bullet journal. So again, stay tuned for a plan with me, a draw with me, and a setup with me on my next videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys!